In this video I'm going to show you how to trade the cup and handle pattern like a pro, including some advanced strategies and techniques you won't find anywhere else online. And the very important point before we start is that the cup and handle can be used for forex, stocks and crypto trading, as it describes the same market dynamics across different assets. And this pattern will allow you to identify good entry points for your trades and determine safe stop losses and accurate take profit levels. Spotting a cup and handle is relatively simple because it looks like a teacup with a handle. Let me show you an example on my laptop. This is the Euro-Japanese Yen currency pair, and what you can see on the chart is a cup and handle pattern. The price moves downwards, then moves sideways for some time to finally go up again till we reach the price level where the decline started. This forms a U shape, which is the cup. After the formation of the cup, the price moves sideways or downwards within a channel, which represents the handle. The handle needs to be smaller than the cup and it should not drop into the lower half of the cup, and ideally it should stay in the upper third. If the handle is too deep, avoid trading the pattern, as this may invalidate the cup and handle. The cup and handle pattern occurs in both small time frames like a 1-minute chart and in large time frames like daily and weekly charts. The cup and handle is a bullish pattern and it can work both as a reversal pattern and as a continuation pattern. Let's check some examples. This is a cup and handle reversal pattern on the Bitcoin price chart, which signals a reversal from a huge 1-year long downtrend to a new uptrend. In the reversal cup and handle, the formation of the pattern starts while the price is in a downtrend. As we move towards the bottom of the cup, the sellers gradually lose momentum and the price starts moving sideways. At the bottom of the cup, the price forms a reversal base before leading to a trend change. After the breakout of the handle, you can see that the price has now formed a new uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. In the continuation cup and handle instead, the formation of the pattern starts while the price is already in an uptrend. Buyers lose some momentum as the cup starts forming. Then the price starts moving sideways for some time, and once it reaches the bottom, buyers take control and build the right half of the cup. This helps build up more buying pressure and the price finally reaches new highs after the breakout of the handle. The handle is in fact the place where the last battle between buyers and sellers takes place, and when buyers prevail, we see the explosive breakout to the upside that leads to the prolonged continuation of the uptrend. The reversal and the continuation cup and handle patterns occur in different contexts, but they can be traded the same way. So let's now see how to trade the cup and handle pattern. You need to wait for a breakout of the handle. Once the price breaks the handle, the pattern is considered complete and the price is expected to rise. So you have to enter your trade once you see a candle close above the resistance of the handle. You should ideally place your stop loss below the support of the handle. Since the handle must form within the upper half of the cup, an appropriate stop loss should not be placed in the lower half of the cup. If the stop loss is below the halfway point of the cup, avoid trading. Your take profit level is calculated by measuring the maximum height of the cup and then moving this line to the breakout point. If you see important resistance zones on the chart, then place your take profit a bit below those zones, even if they are found below the profit target. I'm now going to show you more examples of the cup and handle to help you identify this pattern on different time frames and market conditions. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the cup and handle pattern, and if you have any questions, make sure to write them down in the comments. I will answer every single question regarding the cup and handle. And if you got some value out of this video, then like it and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to share more videos on chart patterns in the next weeks. And if you want me to make a video on a specific pattern, then make sure to write your suggestion in the comments and I will make a video on the most requested pattern. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to trade the head and shoulders pattern like a pro, you should definitely watch my tutorial, which you can find right there. That being said, I wish you good trading and see you in the next video.